All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. So we are taking a look at BNB, and BNB is in a rising wedge pattern out of this downtrend here. So this is actually a bearish continuation pattern, and it's about the time for it to play out. This thing's about 175 days old, which is almost 6 months. So typically, you want to see these things last from 3 to 6 months for it to play out the way they should, if you will. Doesn't have to be exact. It doesn't have to be textbook. I'm just letting you guys know this thing is almost 6 months old now in this rising wedge pattern. So it's getting ready to push down, in my opinion. So you're sitting right on the bottom of the wedge here at this 0.5 at 270. You're at 273 at the moment. So I would look for a move to the downside, at least down here to the 618. So if we look over at the Heikin-Ashi candles, you can see we're printing giant red candles here. So that's just telling you the trend is trending down and the price wants to go down. So switching back over here to the regular candles, we're going to look at a couple of prices really quick. If you do break out of this wedge very soon, which I think is highly possible. So once you lose 270, the 618 to the downside, your 618 support at 247 for a 9% drop. And then if you lose that, the 786 support down here at 217 for about a 20.5% drop. So just kind of watch those couple of prices there. If this falling wedge pattern does in fact play out, you may even come down here to 183, depending on what goes on in the market. So we'll see how it goes for BNB. But like I said, BNB is a good investment. It's not going anywhere. So if you lose the 786, you're looking at a total of a 32% drop, almost 33% drop on BNB to 183. Of course, this is not going to play out overnight. These are 3-day candles here, so this is going to take a while to play out. But you are, in the macro scale of things, in a rising wedge, bearish continuation pattern to the downside. So just keep that in mind. Watch 270 here to support to hold or break. So we'll take one look to the upside. If you bounce here for some reason, you can see the 382 at 296 is going to be your next resistance, so a 9% move. So you may come up here for about a 9% move and then come down and crash through all these support levels. So we'll see if we bounce here. If you just kind of hold this 2.3 or this 0.5 rather, you're probably going to break through it at some point. There's about a day, 1 day and 7 hours left on this candle here, so we'll see if you can hold support here. So without saying too much on BNB, rising wedge pattern, it looks like it wants to push lower, and it looks like you're about to break out of the bottom of this wedge here at this 0.5 at 270. So with that said, none of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.